Imagine a world where all your critical machine data is accessible from anywhere, anytime. That's what the Keep cloud-based platform delivers. Simply log in with your secure credentials. Keep grants you granular control over user permissions. Different users can have tailored access based on their roles, ensuring data security and efficiency. The platform is structured in a user-friendly way. Starting at Level 1 Customizable Hierarchy, you have a clear overview. In this scenario, our Level 1 is Facilities. Each facility contains a list of units, key contacts, as well as critical documentation. This gives you a high-level view of your entire operation at a glance. Drilling down to the customizable Level 2. In this scenario, we focus on a specific unit. Here you can access detailed unit information like specifications, drawings, critical documentation, and digital routine maintenance instructions. This centralized hub eliminates the need for searching through various folders and ensures everyone has access to the most up-to-date information. Within the unit view, you'll find a tab for the list of assigned issues or defects, categorized by priority and open or closed status. You can easily create a new issue or filter and sort these issues based on the available data, giving you a clear picture of the current state of your machines and allowing you to prioritize repairs and maintenance. Each individual issue can be interrogated, providing a detailed breakdown of the problem, the proposed solution, and the required resources. This allows for clear communication among team members and ensures everyone is on the same page, eliminating confusion and preventing delays. If you need to share information with external stakeholders, you can generate custom reports for individual issues or specific units with just a few clicks. This feature simplifies collaboration and ensures that everyone involved has access to the same information. Keep also empowers you to create customized digital work instructions, called templates, for routine or one-off maintenance tasks. These templates can be easily tailored to your specific needs using the drag and drop functionality and comprehensive component library, incorporating such features as checklists, tables, image capture, and digital sign-off. This reduces the risk of errors, missed information, and ensures that all procedures are carried out in a standardized way. Templates are converted to digital work instructions, titled jobs. Each Level 2 unit has its own job history, detailing all completed and ongoing jobs. These digital work instructions provide task and step-by-step execution guidelines, streamlining your maintenance processes, reporting and data capture methods. By eliminating paper-based and manual data transfer processes, operations will experience increased efficiency and output, while reducing risk from lost information or errors. For each job, you'll find comprehensive information, including the assigned team, progress, start, and due dates. This central repository of job information gives you complete transparency into your operations, allowing you to track progress, monitor deadlines, and identify potential delays in real time. With a single click, you can export detailed reports on any job to share with external stakeholders, eliminating tedious administration. Keep also features dedicated databases for all your operational issues, procedures, work instructions, and checklists, giving you a single source of truth for all your critical data and to allow for simplified updates and additions as your organization expands. The powerful dashboard provides you with a comprehensive overview of your operations, with single-click PDF reports to track your job progress and issue status, while identifying areas for focus and attention. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and implement targeted improvements, leading to significant gains in efficiency and cost savings. Keep also supports in boosting efficiency by incorporating a My Jobs list, user-assigned job milestones, and quick create buttons. Improve your technical processes and work execution by ensuring consistency, transparency, and efficiency throughout your organization. Experience the power of Keep and unlock a new level of productivity today.